Hey guys, it's R.V.C. here, and I'm back again with another video. And today, we are talking about this, the BlackBerry KEYone Black Edition. Yes, a BlackBerry in 2026. Now, honestly, every single time I pull this phone out in public, people stare at it. Some people get confused. Some people get excited. And some people immediately say, wait, BlackBerry still exists? And to be fair, using a BlackBerry in 2026 feels like carrying a time machine in your pocket. Now, this specific one is the Black Edition. So it comes with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. And surprisingly, it's still usable. Not perfect, not fast compared to modern phones, but usable.
Now, for those who never used a BlackBerry before, the biggest thing here is obviously the keyboard. And I'm not gonna lie, typing on this thing still feels amazing. Emails, messages, WhatsApp, notes, everything feels intentional. Modern phones made us type faster, but BlackBerry made typing feel satisfying. And honestly, that's something we kind of lost. Now, performance-wise, mine is actually running Android 12, which is kind of crazy for a phone this old. And for basic tasks, calls, instant messaging, emails, YouTube browsing, music, it still handles them surprisingly well. Not flagship fast, but definitely usable. Apps open slower sometimes. The camera is outdated, and heavy multitasking, yeah, don't expect miracles. But for communication, this phone still shines. And honestly, the physical keyboard changes how you use your phone. You become less distracted, less addicted to scrolling, and somehow more productive. Now, let's talk about the biggest issue I had with this phone, the battery. So recently, the battery inside this KEYone got swollen. Like, really swollen. It actually pushed the back cover out. And if you own older phones, especially older BlackBerries, this is something you seriously need to watch out for. A swollen battery is dangerous. So I replaced it immediately. The replacement itself went fine, but there was one problem. After replacing the battery, the back cover never fit properly again. So now, it doesn't close as tightly as before.
Honestly, that's one of the downsides of using older devices in 2026. Parts are harder to get, repairs are trickier, and sometimes, even after fixing one issue, the phone is never exactly the same again. But despite all that, there's still something special about this phone. Maybe it's nostalgia. Maybe it's the keyboard. Maybe it's the fact that modern smartphones all look the same now. But this thing still has personality. And in a weird way, using it feels refreshing. Now the real question is the BlackBerry KEYone worth using in 2026? And honestly, I'd say yes, but only for the right person.
If you want a distraction-free phone, great typing experience, emails, calls, messages, and nostalgia, you'll probably love it. But if you want gaming, high-end cameras, crazy performance, or long-term software support, this is definitely not the phone for you. For me personally, I still enjoy using it. Not as my main phone maybe, but as a secondary device, absolutely. And honestly, every time I hear that keyboard click, it reminds me of a completely different era of smartphones. An era where phones were unique, and maybe a little more fun. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.